والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Hello brothers and sisters, how are you? In today's lesson I'd like to show you how we can make a curved beam splice connection. As you know, in the Tekla structure we have straight beam, we have volley beam, we have the rest of the beams as you see here, and for this I will use curved beam. So I will click here and maybe click here, after that click here, just like this. Okay, so for the as you see the radius is as you see here 5000. We can change here, okay, and by default it's the number of segments is 10. As you see, if you maybe it looks like this in your computer, just click it and make this one to change it to 32, and it will shows as a curved beam. Anyhow, after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select the beam and go to edit and go to split, and I will cut the beam into two pieces. As you see here now, we can make it. Before making this, we can do it without any problem, or we can change this radius. Remember this radius because we will use this one. We need it. Okay. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to splice. Okay, so there are some kind of splice beams. We can use this one, we can use this one. Just click here, and after that the second beam, if we use 77, and when we zoom in, and you see there is no this is a flat plate. If we want to make it curve, how we can do it? We can do it very easily, but if we change the number of the balls, we have, as you see here, the picture, the part is for example the parts top external, let's say 20, bottom exterior, let's say 20, and we see here now we have this one. If we don't inner, we can change it to 0, just like this. You see here because it's flat and it's curved, we see this one, and the other side we should see the beam if it's the just like the width of the beam, but because it's the plate is larger than the beam, we cannot see this one, but we can detect this by the distance. Here you see this distance is more than this is in the middle. Anyhow, we will solve this problem, no problem. And for the parameters, whatever we want to change, we can change it without any problem. For example, we make it to 124. Maybe we make it 2 at 100, maybe 100, yes, and just modify it. You see, now as here, this is the web. Okay, for the distance, let's say we have 3 at 80 and 3 at 80, as you see, just like this. And for the top flange, again we have 24. Maybe this one's 24 is a lot, so we will change to something 20 for the this one, and for the top flange we have 20, and let's say we have 4 at 80 and 4 at 80, just like this. And the distance between them, let's say 100. Now it's very good. Okay, that's very good here. and we can change whatever we want later. We can change the bottom one, and bottom one by default it will change with the top one if we don't make it. Anyhow, for the top flange is here, we set here we can do like this and maybe like this, just modify it to be to upside down, just like this. Anyhow, and after that I'll close this one. As here, this is the curved one and this is the flat, so I want to be both of them the curved. So how can I do it? I will just go to the select object in component and select this one, and I will go to the properties. The radius is here, as I told you before. Just remember this radius, so I will select this one and copy this one and paste it here. Just modify it, and because it's like this I have to make it with minus, so it gives me the exact radius. And for the bottom one as well, the same value. Yeah, again it should be with minus, modify, and with this one as well with minus, modify. And now you see it's a curved one, and of course we can move it. We can just go to Control P, so it gives us the top view of it, and we can use Control 1 or Control to 1 to see this one, and we can go to right click properties, go to from the display, and the rendered here is in the component rendered, so we will change to wireframe, modify, OK, and we can see the plates here. And after that, what we can do, we can just right click, move spatial linear. We can move it we can move it from this point up to something up to the middle maybe. I want to just in Y direction move it. Yeah, I think it needs more, so pick again. Okay, so pick this point. Yeah, now it's exactly, I think, in the middle. And you see now if we go back to Control 4, and we see this is the plate, and this is the plate inside the curve. Okay, so by this we could solve this problem. And of course this is a way, and there's another ways to do. As you know here, this one as well. I'll just click and move properties and go back to change this one to rendered, and we'll see together. Modify, OK, and I will make this one, and right click, create fabrication drawing, perform numbering, and I'll say yes, create, and we see, and go to the drawing is, and we see this plate. As you see, if we delete the dimensions, you see this curved beam. This is a curved beam, sorry, a curved plate, and this is the or this is the required thing. Of course this one as well is curved, so we can do a curved or a splice for a curved beam very easily.